If you want clean body lines, real protection, and a factory-style fit, these custom-molded mud flaps are designed specifically for 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 trucks equipped with OEM Fender flares. They are engineered to match the contours of the fenders precisely, delivering effective protection without bulky weight or awkward overhang. These mud flaps fit only the new body-style Ram 1500 models, which are easily identified by 6 lug bolts per wheel. They do not fit Ram 1500 Classic models with 5 lug bolts, and they are not compatible with TRX models. Compatibility also requires factory-installed fender flares, which are trim pieces that wrap around the wheel openings. Ordering the correct version is essential for a perfect fit and proper alignment. Designed and manufactured in the USA, each flap is custom molded to sit flush with the fender flare, using factory mounting locations for a clean, secure installation. Owners appreciate that the mounting holes line up correctly, eliminating guesswork and reducing install time. The slim, lightweight design avoids adding unnecessary mass to the truck, which helps prevent stress on mounting points and reduces the buildup of heavy mud, snow, or ice. On the road, these mud flaps help protect paint, doors, and rocker panels from road spray, gravel, and debris kicked up by the tires. Off the road or in winter conditions, they reduce mud and slush spray while maintaining a low profile that looks intentional and refined. The result is protection that works without compromising the truck's appearance or performance. Backed by a no-hassle lifetime guarantee, these mud flaps are built for long-term ownership and daily use. If you are looking for a precise, factory-style solution that fits your Ram 1500 the way it should, this is a smart upgrade that balances durability, fit, and design. Check the link in the video description to confirm compatibility, see current pricing, and order the correct set for your truck. Subscribe to the channel to discover more vehicle-specific accessories that improve protection, function, and everyday driving confidence.